Hello friends and welcome to my channel. This is lesson number 1 of beginner series of basic information about chess. Today we are going to learning chess from the very beginning. So if you are at zero level or recently started to playing chess and you are watching or finding to learn chess, then you are at the right place. Trust me, if you follow my all videos and if you practice it by your own, then you will definitely become a good chess player in a short time, because I will teach you like I teach myself. So let's start. In this video I will cover all the fundamental subject about chess. For example, what is a chess? The basic questions comes in our mind when we are at the beginner level. Then second question will be how to play it. So first number will be the chessboard. What is chessboard? The chess pieces name, their symbols, what are their symbols, and their point value, and which are minor pieces and which are major pieces. Okay, then we will talk about what are files and what are ranks. Okay, then we will see square name and the notation, means how to write proper chess notation according to the chess language. Okay, so first question we have to go through, which is what is a chess. Chess is a two-player strategy board game played on a checkmate board with 64 squares arranged in a 8 into 8 grid. Each player controls 16 pieces, one king, one queen, two rooks, two bishops, two knights, and 8 pawns for each side. The objective of the chess is to checkmate the opponent's king, meaning the king is under attack in check and there is no legal move to remove it from the attack. Okay, now we will learn how to play it. The first number is number 1 is chessboard. It is consist of a 64 squares where 32 are light and 32 are dark, as you can see here. For example, we can see these are the small squares. Okay, 1 2 3, like that we have total number of 64 squares in complete chessboard, and total 32 are light. These are light squares, 1 2 3, like to like we have total number of 32, and we have total 32 unless we have dark also, like we can see here this is 1 2 3. So total we have 32 white squares and 32 dark square. Total consists of 64 square overall in the chessboard. Okay, now let's move on to chess pieces from the increasing order of their point value. The every chess pieces has their own point value. So we will start it from the pawn. Okay, this is called pawn. The front row, this is called pawn. Okay, each pawn consists of 1 point and it has no symbolic. Okay, no symbol for any pawn, and we have total 16 pawns on the board. You can see 8 here and 8 here. Total number of 16 board on the complete chess board. Okay, then we will see knight. Knight means this is called knight. We have total 4 knights. This one, second one, this is third, and this is 4. Okay, so we have total 4 knights, and its symbol is N, capital N. This is symbol of knight, capital N, and its point value is 3. 3 means this one, 3 and 3. Okay, now we will check next one, which is bishop. These are bishop. We have total number of 4 bishops in the chessboard. 1 2 3 4 Okay, and we are writing it by B, capital B. B for ball and B for bishop. Okay, and its point value is also 3, just like we seen in knight. Okay, now we will see rook. These are called rook 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 rooks for each side, and we have total number of 4 rooks in the chessboard, and its point value. First we will see how to write the symbol for it, and we have to write capital R for rose, reds, anything, and we are writing capital R for rook. Okay, and its point value is 5 point. Now we will check. Next one is queen. The total we have 2 queens, one for white and one for black. And in chessboard we also consider queen is the powerful piece in complete chessboard. It is the most powerful tools. That's why first we will see how to write it. The queen, we have to write the symbolic nature of capital Q. Capital Q. Q means queen, or Cuba. Cuba is CUB, queen, and its point value is 9 point. That's why it is considered as a very strong chess piece in the complete chessboard, and it has another nature, like it can move straight also and diagonal also from anywhere to anywhere. We will talk it in the next video how to pieces are moves and how they captured. So in this video we will not consider it. So next one is king. We have total number of 2 kings of either side. One is this one for white and this one for black, and we are giving symbolic nature, means chess language for king is capital K, means K for kite, K for king, and etc. And it's not infinite point value. King has infinite point value because it cannot be captured. The game ends if it is checkmated. Okay, so we have seen the chessboard and chess pieces from the increasing order. Now we will see what are the minor pieces. So in chessboard, knight and bishop, these two are knight and bishop, means complete chessboard. Total number of 4 sets we can see here. These are called minor pieces and major pieces. Major pieces means rook, 4 rooks, 2 rooks for the white and 2 for the black, and 1 queen for the each side. It means total number of 6 pieces in complete entire chessboard, which are called major pieces. Okay, now we have already covered chessboard, chess pieces, minor pieces and major pieces. Now let's move on to the what is file. Okay, a file is a vertical column of squares. Files are labeled A to H from left to right from wide perspective. For example, this is called file. A file, V file, C file, D, E, F, G, and H. So in entire chessboard we have the total complete number of 8 file from A to H. Okay, the reason behind we are looking file above rank is we are witnessing the square name. After rank I will cover how to write square name. That's why we are looking for the file before rank. So now let's move on to the rank means what is rank. A rank is a horizontal row of square. Ranks are numbered 1 to 8 from bottom to top. Again from White's view. For example, this is called first rank, this is second, third, fourth, and so on, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. These are called rank. Okay. Now we will see square name means one square. So we have total number of 64 squares. Now we will check 1, 2, 3. For example, this one. This is a square and we have to look what is its name. Okay. So first we have to check the what file it's come through. Okay. So this is a file. This is B, C, D, and E. So it is coming in the 8th file. Sorry, E file. And now we have to check what ranks it's coming on. Okay. So we are looking for this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the square which is considered of this subject which will create as E4. Okay, so we will write as a small e and capital 4. You should always remember that the square name always be written as file which is small. A to Z, sorry, A to H, A, B, C, it is always written in the small letter, and the rank symbolic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This also written completely as capital, or I think it's not a character of small or capital. So we are writing it as 4, 3, 2, 1. Just we are writing as mathematics. Okay. So this is concept of square name. Okay, now let's move on to the how to write chess notation. Now we will check it by move pieces by pieces. Okay, if we want to move this knight, this is a knight, for example, this is a knight. Okay, if we want to move this knight which is currently sitting on a g1 square, g1 square, okay, gn1, so it is called g1 square. Now we have to move it onto this square. Okay, I have to erase this square. Okay, so how we should write it? Okay, the formula is we have to write first peace symbol. Okay, peace symbol. So this is knight, so we have to write it capital N. Okay, knight, not K, we will write capital N, capital N, N for nose. Okay, so we will write as capital N and we are putting it to F3. So this square we are watching or seeing, it is F3. So we have already discussed that whenever we write the file name, we should consider as a small letter. Okay, so we will write 5 for F, we will write small f, and the rank is third. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So this is third rank, so we will write it 3. The symbolic nature of this square we consider as a knight f3. Okay, now we will check for example bishop. So we are moving this pawn to e4. So we consider pawn move not as p. So p, sorry, P is not perfect for pawn. It is wrong. Okay. We directly write E2 to E4 because this pawn was seated here and move it to this square. So we will consider directly as a E2 small letter of file E2 to small letter to E4 directly. Okay. The simple rules is we are not writing any symbolic for any pawn. Entire chessboard consists of 16 pieces. We are directly write the symbol of file and its rank only. Okay. Now we move this pawn. Now we are looking for the bishop. For example, we move this bishop from bishop f1 to bishop c4. Okay, so how we will write it? For bishop we will write capital B, and for this square we will write small c for file, small c for file, and 4 for rank. So we will write it bishop c4. Okay. Now we will check another. For example, rook. So we will move this one. We have to move this rook to here. So how should we write? Rook for capital R. So capital R for rook. This capital R for rook. We are moving it from rook h1 to rook h3. So h, small h is for column number and 3 its rank. Okay. Rook h3. Now next one we will move to our queen. So we want to move this queen from queen d1 to for example queen g4. So how should we write as its symbolic nature of its queen? The capital Q for queen, and we are moving it from queen d1 to queen g4. So we will write small g and 4 for its rank. So this is symbol nature for queen. Now we will see last one, which is king. Okay, so we are just moving it this queen to this one. So how should we consider at its written language? Capital K for king. Okay, the capital K, this is K for kite, king. We are moving it to king e1 to king e2. So small e, because the file name is E, and 2 for its rank. Okay, so we will write K, small e, and 2. So this is complete entire concept. We are looking for how we are writing the chess notation about chess. So I hope you learned a lot from this video. Let me know how you liked it by sharing your feedback. If you have any suggestion or question, feel free to ask me. And finally, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video.